Drinker's Choice, happy Halloween, Eric Locko here. We're gonna make a Halloween cocktail that, believe it or not, has nothing to do with dry ice. Because you know what? I don't even know where to buy dry ice right now. I want to drink. So let's get to it. This is very spirit forward, very adult, Smoky Negroni Sour. Whiskey Sour, Negroni, put into one. So let's start. Basically it's the same kind of thing, but we're gonna shake it up because it has citrus in it. Kind of a rule of thumb, not always, but if it has citrus, it goes in a shaker. So we're gonna start off with a typical Negroni. Usually it's about 3 equal parts of which. I'm gonna do a little bit different this time. We're going 1.5 ounces gin. Right in the shaker. We'll do a 1/2 ounce of the rest of it. 1/2 ounce Campari. Siren, come on. 1/2 ounce Campari right into the shaker. And then 1/2 ounce sweet vermouth. And then that's where it starts getting a little bit more interesting. After this. Campari on the finger. All right, so now we have pretty much Negroni. A little bit different, but close. Now, 3/4 ounces of lemon juice. This is where the sour aspect comes in. 3/4 ounce. Oh, it's a juicy lemon. We're gonna get all of it in this. How about that? Right in the shaker. This is where we have to make a little something special. What we have right here, a rosemary honey syrup. Very simple. Take equal parts honey, water, maybe about 1/2 cup of each, put it in a saucepan, stir it up, put the heat on it. Once it starts getting pretty hot, turn it down to a simmer, throw a couple of fresh pieces of rosemary in there, let it simmer for about 15, 30 minutes, and then here's what you got. I'm gonna do 1/2 ounce of this. Right into the shaker. Shake it up. Beauty. Okay. Here's the fun part, y'all. Take some dried rosemary. You can buy the store dried, or you can do what I did. Take a few of these guys fresh. Put them on a cookie sheet oven, 200 degrees for about an hour. They come out ready to go. Do a little strip job. Unless you want these little pieces in there. They're pretty brittle. There you go. So once the fire alarm stops going off in your house, you blow that out, have a sip. What you got is the spirit forward nature of Negroni, with a little sweetness, a little herbal flavor, a little citrus. I quite like it. I hope you do too. Cheers, y'all. Happy Halloween. Come on with.